In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America. To get started, sign in to your TD Bank online banking account or open the TD Bank mobile app and log in there. Make sure you're using your own secure device and a trusted internet connection, especially if you're transferring money between accounts. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account dashboard so you don't accidentally move funds from the wrong account. From there, look for the transfer section. In most cases, you'll want to choose external transfers if you're sending money from your TD Bank account to a Bank of America account. If you need the money to arrive faster and your setup supports it, you may also see the option to use Zelle for instant transfers. The best choice depends on how quickly you need the money and how your receiving account is linked. Next, add your Bank of America account details. If you're using an external bank transfer, enter the Bank of America account number and routing number carefully. It's important to double check these numbers before continuing because even a small mistake can send the transfer to the wrong place or cause the transaction to fail. If you're using Zelle instead, enter the linked email address or mobile number associated with the receiving Bank of America account. Make sure that information is already enrolled with Zelle so the transfer can go through properly. Once the receiving account is entered and selected, type in the amount you want to transfer. Take a second to review the number, especially if you're moving a larger amount. After that, choose the delivery speed if TD Bank gives you more than one option. Standard delivery may take longer, while faster options can sometimes be available depending on the transfer method and eligibility. Finally, review all of the transfer details on the confirmation screen. Check the sending account, the receiving Bank of America account, the transfer amount, and the delivery method. If everything looks correct, click or tap Confirm Transfer to complete the process. After you submit the transfer, it's a good idea to watch for a confirmation message or email and keep an eye on both accounts until the transaction is fully processed. That's it. You've successfully set up your transfer from TD Bank to Bank of America.